Hi, I'm Noa Spector-Flock from St. Petersburg, Florida. My website is stretchandstrong.com. We're going to talk today about colds and cough. One of the positions that you can use is bringing your feet together and hug your feet with your hands, pulling your chest up as you are lowering your knees down. Obviously, if you're not flexible enough, you can use towels, boosters, something to put underneath the knees to support. Or you can put sandbags on top to relax it even further. So this is one position. Close your eyes, focus in and up towards your eyebrows. Take 5, 6 deep breaths. Another position which I'd like to share with you from Kundalini Yoga is a breath. Make sure that you do the Om Namo Guru Dev Namo as a preparation. And then sit on your heels. Interlace your fingers behind your back. We're going to have 3 sniffs going up. And on the exhale, you're going to go into the Yoga Mudra. I hope those tips will be helpful for your cold. I'm Noa Spector-Flock from St. Pete, Florida. Stretchandstrong.com. Thanks for watching.